Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So here we go. We got two cats. One is a black one right there, and another we got the white one. The black one is very much playful, and I really liked it. So just watch her playing. It's so fun watching her playing. Not only this, I got another thing. I got this thing also. This is a laser light. Okay, so just like this, you can see right there. They will be attracted to this very much. Currently, this white one is very. She played a lot before, and now she's very tired, so she's resting. But this black one is very much playful. She loves to play. Just watch her playing. Just after a little time, I'll show this laser, and let's see that how much fast and how they play with that. But first, let her play. Okay, now this white cat is also started playing. She's snatching it. What is she trying to do? I can't understand. Okay, I guess now these two will fight with each other soon. Yes, they are coming to fight. Now she have attack. She did attack. She attacked her. Okay, watch it. Watch it. Come on, get up. Get up. So, I haven't decided their names. The black one and the white one. I haven't decided their names. They just came yesterday, and I haven't decided anything. What name? Oh, don't bite the shit. She got it. She won. My god, she won. Now. Oh, the black one won it. Okay, now let's go. Now it's time for the laser, and we will play with this laser one. Now let me open the camera, sorry, flashlight. Let me keep this chair aside. Let me keep it this side. Okay, what happened? She stopped playing. Anyways, now it's time for the laser play. Let me turn off the fan. I won't turn off the fan. I will put it lower the speed, because the sound of fan is getting in the mic. Now let's go. We are going to play with the laser. I'll try my best to show you the laser light, and also the cat, how she play with it. Anyways, let's start with this white one. Let's see if she follows it or not. Okay, she is not following it. Come here, brother. Come here. Catch this. Why are you not catching it? Okay, the black one is right here. Here we go. She's trying to snatch it. Come here. Let me turn off the light. It will be fun. Yes, the lights are also down. And here we go. Now wherever this laser goes, this cat is gonna follow it. Let me put it like this so you can see it nicely. Oi, go follow it. Come on, what is the white cat doing right there? I can't understand. Come on, follow it, man. What are you doing? Follow this. Don't eat, it's your bed. Come on, follow, follow, follow. Come, come. Catch it, catch it. Come on. Follow, follow this, follow this. I don't know how to train cats, but I would love to do that. Please. Oh, come on, follow. Come, 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 come. Yeah, here we go. She started following me. They are very small currently, so don't worry. As soon as they will grow a little bit more, oh, she's ready. She's ready to attack the white one. The posture. I can see the posture and I can say that, oh, what a speed she got. That was nice. That was crazy. I'll put it. Okay, she is coming to attack. Okay, the white one is out. Now just watch it. Okay, the both are ready to play. Come, darling. Come and catch it. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. You won't be able to do so because this is what she did. Okay, she is catching my legs and here we go. Did you saw what she did right there? Okay, she is now tired, but not even now. She is ready to catch it again. Okay, she's running. She's running very fast. What happened? My flashlight is disabled because I got no charge on my phone. Not a big deal. Let me turn on all the lights now. Come on, do follow this. Follow, 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 follow. Follow, 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 follow. Okay, now she's tired. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Both are tired now. Okay, she is getting the slow posture. Okay. Oh, she tried to catch it. Up, 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 up. Come, 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 come. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, now let's try something. Come here, cat. Kitty, kitty. Come there. Come here, come here. Where are you? Where are you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, she want to have some food or what? Okay, follow this, follow this, follow this, follow this. Follow this, follow this. Come on. Follow this, brother. In my pants, in my pants. Oh, she's not doing what I'm trying to make her to do. She's not doing that. It's okay. So now let me show them clearly to you. They are very small. Okay, they started fighting. No issues. Come here. Okay. Come here, come here, come here. Come. Come, 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 come. You come. Come, come. You come. Why are you not coming? So here we go. Just watch her. Watch her. Watch her. How she is. Don't run, bro. Don't run, please. Let me show you. Let me show you to our audience. So what should be her name? She's very small. She's very small, okay? So now what should be her name? Tell me. What should be her name? She's very small. I guess she is around 1.5 months or 1 month. She is too small. Now tell me what should be her name. Where are you going? Okay, so comment down below and tell me what should be her name. And this one is very playful. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now she also started playing. Now this is the one. These, she's getting little tickle. Turn around, come on. Now this one is very playful. And she is also 1.5 months old, and there are some stitch in her body. What is she doing there? Is she trying to pee there or what? Okay, so now let me know what should be her name and her name too. Comment down below and let me know. By the way, that's all for this video tonight, and I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye. See you later with another something surprising video. Okay, bye.